Guys, welcome back to College's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my tuna fritters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about College's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's College's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CollegeKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have some flour. I also have my canned tuna, and I also have some black pepper. Now you guys can go in and add salt, but I will not be adding any salt to this recipe. And I also have some chopped onion, some scallion, some bell peppers, and also a smaller piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. Right, so I'm gonna go in and add some of the black pepper to the flour. And of course, you have to combine everything together. And I'm also going to go in and add the chopped seasoning. Again, it consists of onion, scallion. It also has bell peppers and Scotch bonnet pepper. Just a small piece, alright? So I'm going to also go in and pour the water. And guys, just a reminder, even though I have a glass of water, I might not use all of the water, right? So we don't want our batter for the fritters to be too runny or too thick. So you have to be extra careful, all right? So this is my butter, so it's at the consistency, that I want it to be at. So I'm going to go ahead and open my tuna. And of course we have to drain the tuna. We don't want the water from the tuna, right? So I'm going to pour the water in a small bowl. And if you guys want to go in and use more tuna, you can always do that, all right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and pour my tuna in the fritters batter. And of course, we're going to combine everything together, alright? And while I'm doing this, I have my frying pan on the stove that I'm going to fry my fritters in. And I also went ahead and add some vegetable oil. And I'll just allow it to heat up until I'm finished making the batter. So as I said earlier, this is the pot that I'm going to fry my fritters in. I went ahead and add some vegetable oil. And of course, you guys know I love to use my tablespoon to add the fritters batter because I think it gives it a, that nice small bite-sized fritters. So I'm going to use my tablespoon, and you guys can go ahead and use whichever spoon you have at home, except don't use a teaspoon, alright? So I'm going to drop my fritters batter, and of course I'm going to allow this to fry about 7 minutes on both sides or until golden brown, and we want to ensure that the inside of the fritters is cooked properly. And you guys don't have to have your fritters with anything else. You can go ahead and just have this by itself. Really tasty, really easy and simple and delicious, guys. And remember, if you guys want to add some salt, you can always go in and add some salt, all right? So now it's time to go ahead and flip my fritters over on the other side for them to fry. As I said to you guys, this takes roughly about 7 minutes to fry because we want to ensure that our fritters is golden brown and we want to ensure that the inside of the fritters is cooked properly. Alright? So I'm just going to allow that side to fry, then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like after it finished frying, alright? Alright guys, so this is what my fritters looks like, all golden brown and ready. So I'm just going to remove them from the hot oil, place them on a napkin because we want the oil to drain. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and fry the rest of the fritters batter, alright? Once I'm finished frying the rest of the batter, I'm going to come back and show you guys the final product of my tuna fritters, alright? So stay tuned. In a minute, I will show you the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my tuna fritters. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. I will leave all of the ingredients used in today's recipe in the description box. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about College Kitchen, and remember to subscribe and share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye!